In the world of real estate, there's a silent battle raging across the United States. On one side, the classic, time-tested strategy of buy and hold. On the other side, the fast-paced, modern game of Airbnb rentals. Which strategy will truly make you richer? Which one will survive the test of time? And which one will crumble under pressure? Welcome to our deep dive into real estate strategies in the USA, a market where fortunes are made and dreams can vanish overnight. Today, we are comparing two powerful methods: buy and hold, a long-term investment in properties, and Airbnb, a short-term rental business designed for maximum cash flow. By the end of this video, you'll understand which approach could make you more money, based on real numbers, trends, and economic factors. Let's start with buy and hold. This strategy is simple, but not easy. You purchase a property, hold it for years, and benefit from its appreciation over time. You collect rent monthly, watch your equity grow, and leverage the power of compounding. Imagine buying a single-family home in a city like Austin, Texas. You hold it for 10 years. Property values increase. Rental income grows. Inflation works in your favor. The benefits are clear: long-term stability, predictable income, tax advantages, and the security of owning tangible assets. Now, let's enter the world of Airbnb. This is a strategy for the bold, the adventurous, and those willing to adapt quickly. Instead of collecting one long-term tenant's rent, you rent the property by the night, sometimes earning 2, 3, or even 5 times more than a traditional lease. The secret? Flexibility and high demand. Tourists, business travelers, and remote workers pay premium rates for short stays in prime locations. But it's not all sunshine. Running an Airbnb requires constant management, cleaning, maintenance, marketing, and dealing with unpredictable guests. Regulations and local laws can change overnight. And during economic downturns or pandemics, occupancy can drop dramatically. Let's break it down. A buy and hold property might give you an annual return of 7% to 10%, factoring in rent, property appreciation, and tax benefits. An Airbnb property could earn 15% to 25% annually, sometimes more in tourist hotspots. But those numbers come with volatility. Expenses are higher, turnover is constant, and mark